Students traveled from near and far to cheer Marcus on as he received a record-breaking 1,182 letters from kids across the country, reminding him to stay strong in the face of bullies.
Those people who wrote it, they know how it feels to be bullied, and they want this to stop.
The letters of support are part of the nationwide Be a Friend project, which aims to transform the lives of bullying victims through kindness. One of the first program recipients told Marcus she still reads the letters daily.
But I feel like he's going to read the same thing, so he was always going to know someone's going to always be there for him too.
Students from Lake Worth made a 7-hour journey to stand beside the man of the hour.
Seeing Marcus's reaction was so amazing, and I don't really know how to describe it. It brought tears to my eyes. Don't ever give up. There's always somebody out there that loves you and is willing to support you in everything that you're going to do.
Marcus's grandmother, who is now homeschooling him, says he knows now he is not alone and wants his story to serve as a teachable moment.
If they would come up to us and say, you know what, we're sorry for what we did, and that this would teach them something, I would be okay with that.
Marcus says those friends who wrote him aren't just pen pals, they're pals for life who will join him in his message.
Yeah, it means that bullying needs to stop. No one should be bullied, ever.